Yes, hello? Let me speak to Kirk, please. Here is the one from Love and Hip Hop in the day at the studio. Telling on Ms Sam is important. Hurry up, man. Why me have to tell you for me business? Me have to tell you, one being there this year, pass mix up, Mrs. One. Be night. You're too fast. But get Kirk and put it on the phone. Cause right now, hell hot in here now. Me whole. Lord have mercy, wait till this young boy find out, say me a breed for him. Kirk? Me just have one thing to tell you. You know, somebody did have one too many at the street club the other night. At Richard's. Because you come to love that right now. And you could be, but that's why me a call, This is like the third time you come down here and mess with me. Well, boy, me never know say me could breed again at the age of 51. But let me tell you something, I breed for you, so hell and hip hop can't hop no more. Me I tell you. And me don't know what you have to tell Rasheeda, cause me not dash with the belly. And you are the hard. Me tell you that. Right? Me no business. Me not worry about husband number 1, 2, or 3. Right now, things wasn't right. And we got teeth a little piece, and we got get kids. Right. So if you know what you do, you better sort out something. I mean, that shit wet. Right? We come from the old school. We go say me not in the labor ward. Kirk, what we are going to do, sir? What we are going to do? Kirk, we need house and lot now, Me need jaguar. I need to bring this child up in style because me I left my husband now for you, So, you better give me money. You better treat me ready to dash anyway. Like how you dash with the Jasmine, Anyway, she fi dash away because she's like a piece of nastiness. Because she bed with everybody. Me not do that. Say me and the man wasn't getting no. I got teeth a little piece because the body was dry and thirsty. I go. Me are 51 now, So me have to take what me can get when me can't get it. This is not funny. Me can't cry, Kirk. We in a hot water now. Me tell you why. Well, I go tell Rasheeda. Now I'm sorry now. God, we will fight. And me quite like your wife, But me like you a little bit more. I'm going to get something and say, mix up, what I'm going to know. Lord Jesus, when it's your last mad husband find out, say, me a breathe for you. I finish it now, Kirk. Look how you put me in a cemetery before me time. Lord Jesus, me have to go left the country. No, man. Me have to go get a ticket and go to England and go have the baby. And give it up for adoption. That's all. Kirk, I want some money. We need airfare, we need ticket, we need luggage. Right. And also else me have to do now because me have to go to England, sneaking at England. How the baby, how you pick me? Okay, up for adoption now. I'm going to all that drama. You have to pay down on it right now, Rasheeda. Me I tell you, you have to give me some money, right? Because me I go through enough because of you. You know what, Kirk? Never ever touch me again. Anything called Kirk, not good no good at all. Lord Jesus, me have to go. Me just keep you update, man. Right, you got sort out. Me need 250,000. Me not care where you get it from your underneath. Grandmother dig up, we have to dig up. We want 250,000 to take care of everything. I remember said me gonna be out the country. I remember said the pounds is higher than the dollars. So me want 250,000 dollars. Right. Because the pounds worth more than the dollars, so we need at least that to get by. When you go send it, since you have my bank account, my bank account number where you usually put little money in. None of them. You don't give me $10,000 a month, Kirk. What kind of foolishness you asking for? Just give me the money. Yeah, me have to go now. Me have things to do. Bye.